Guys, and I want to show you how we create UDP custom files. First of all, you need to go to Play Store. For those who are new to this app, I want to show you how to get this app. So go to Play Store and search for HTTP custom. As you see here, HTTP custom. Then search for it. Then this is the app we are going to use it. I have already downloaded it. Now open it. We go together. After you open it, we want to clear the available config. So click on these three lines or these three dots like this. Now choose clear or reset config. You see here I'm going to reset this. Click on this option, the second one here. So after click clear and reset, so our config has been resetted. Now let's go back to Chrome browser. So I want to open Chrome browser. As you see here, now on the search bar type in sshOcean.com. sshOcean.com. This site where we're going to create our account and click search. After it opens, click on those three lines. This one, those lines. Click on those lines. Sometimes an ad can pop up, so just ignore it. So click on these lines, then click on services as you see there. Then gonna choose UDP custom. As you see, this is UDP custom. Click on this one. Now after it opens, gonna scroll down and select a server, your favorite server or nearest your country. For this case, let me use Great Britain. So I'm going to use Great Britain. As you see here, I want to use this one. So click on choose location or select location. Now we're going to scroll down where we're going to fill in our details so that our config or file can be created. So while we are here, make sure the server is online. As you see here, this server is online. Make sure it's not offline. Now, and also make sure the accounts remaining are here. Don't make it 0. After that, you're gonna click on create account here. Create account. So click on create account. As it means we are going now to fill in our details. So fill in your username like here. So let me type any word for the purpose of the video. I want just to use any word. Then a password. I want just to use any password. Then the captcha has been verified. So just click on create account and wait for the account to be created or generated. For this case, now our account has been created. As you scroll down, you're going to see our account has been created. For easier, you can copy this config. So you can copy this and fill in for configuration. But for this case, I want you to choose this one. Just use this one. Copy to HTTP custom to HC. Now we're gonna click like this. Now it's copied. So close this window and open HTTP custom app as you see here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna paste in here our config which have been copied. We copy it and paste it here. So I'm going to paste it here. Tap and hold here. So paste it. Now come back and check this box. Check this box UDP. Make sure you click on UDP to check it. I'm going to check it. Then come back to this option. This one. That one. Choose this option. After choose this, click on UDP tweak settings. This one. UDP tweak settings. After choose it, now make sure it's mbit, and you're gonna use these. We're gonna type in here, type in here 32, and the second box or receiver, we have transfer and receiver. So on the receiver I'm gonna put in 15, then here we're gonna put in 64, this one this way. Now we will click on apply. Here click on apply to apply these settings like this. Now click on connect here. So after click on connect and come and click on logs to see your process, as you see here, now it is working.
Looking for a car? Search and be forward.
And that's how we create UDP files. So that's how we create UDP files. So to save your config, as usual, I told you, you come here, you click on this plus sign like this. So I click on plus sign, then the second thing, click on save config, the first option. Then you're going to type the name of files like usual outside UDP VIP file. Then you can click on local payload, lock block root, block node, and extra sniff. As you see, I have some nodes I have already been using. If you don't know how to set these nodes, let me know. I give you a video tutorial. And click on save. Now file has been saved in the storage, and that's how we create the UDP custom files. Finally guys, thanks for watching. Let me see you in the next video.